What is up, Lambros? It's SteveCurrington.com. If you're new to the channel, I'm Lambro Steve. Welcome to Lambros. So today I just got a hot tip that there is an beautiful abandoned white Audi R8 just on the side of the road, just chilling on the side of the road. I don't know if it has a flat. I don't know what the deal is with it, but had to come film it so we can see what it is. I don't know who owns it. For all I know, it's stolen and someone abandoned it. Whoever stole it abandoned it on the road, but we're gonna pull up here. I gotta put my hazards on, and it's right here in front of me, so I'm gonna see what's going on here. This is it, guys. So I'm gonna get out here and get some film of it. Okay, Lambros, you can see we're literally on the side of the highway, and this R8 is just chilling here. Now, I can't quite tell. It looks pretty beat up. I can't tell. I don't think it has a flat, unless this tire back here is flat. But it's pretty dirty. Look at those wheels. Those are awesome wheels. And let's see if it's unlocked. That side's locked. So I don't know. We need to get the word out that there's an abandoned Audi R8. This is like a brother to the Lamborghini. This car right here, this V10. And it's just abandoned on the side of the road. So I don't know what's gonna happen. I'll get some film of it and we'll get it reported to our car spotting. I'm sure we're already getting spotted as I stand here. So stick around, there may be more. Okay, Lambros, I think that's it. I've been hanging out here for a while to see if maybe a tow truck shows up or an owner shows up or something. But I think the only thing we can do is we're gonna call some of the shops around town that we know might work on these and see if we can find out who the owner is. I've got the plate, but how sad having to leave your Audi R8 on the side of the highway. I mean, who knows what's wrong with it or what happened, but heck, we may just go to Motorsports and grab a trailer and come get it. So stay tuned. That might be next. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.